Submitting documents to Capital One for account approval is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your documents are submitted correctly. Step 1. Gather required documents. Collect all necessary documents that Capital One requires for account approval. This may include identification, proof of income, and any other relevant financial documents. Step 2. Access your account. Log into your Capital One account through the website or mobile app. If you do not have an account, you may need to create one to submit your documents. Step 3. Navigate to document submission. Once logged in, find a section for document submission. This is usually located under Account Settings or Application Status. Look for a link or button that indicates document upload or submission. Step 4. Upload your documents. Follow the prompts to upload your gathered documents. Ensure that each document is clear and legible and that you are uploading the correct files as specified by Capital One. Step 5. Confirm submission. After uploading, review your submissions to confirm that all documents have been uploaded correctly. You may receive a confirmation message or email indicating that your documents have been received. Once you have completed these steps, you can wait for Capital One to review your documents and notify you of the account approval status.